The first technique I want to share with you is a very simple technique that will enable you to focus more on the positive things in your life. We have a natural tendency to focus on negative things, things that we can worry about. This is from evolution, in a way. Those who worried about having food for the winter, having shelter, having warm clothes, were the ones who survived. So worry is a bit built into us for our survival. But in our day and time, we really don't have to worry as much as we had to do in the Stone Ages. So what can we do to focus more on the positive and thereby worry a little bit less? Well, one very simple technique that I use with all my patients, and that becomes the favorite both of patients and other clinicians that I've trained, is called 3 good things. It has been investigated scientifically by, for instance, Martin Seligman, and they found out that this was the absolutely most efficient way of raising the mood of normal people and also of patients. And the technique is very simple. Write down every day at least 3 good things that have happened to you this day. It can be, I was able to mow the lawn, I made a good dinner for my family, I played games with my daughter, it was fun, I decided to watch a nice film together with my husband, etc. It's usually quite simple things, and what is extra good is if you find things that you actually started yourself. For instance, I went to visit a friend and it was very nice. It's also okay to take things like, I got a very nice phone call, it was nice to hear that she still cares about me. But try to find the things that you have actively done yourself, because then this becomes things that you can do in order to raise your own mood. And once I had a lot of patients, one after the other, and they'd all been home for the weekend, came back to the hospital, and asked them what they had done. And one had changed on the beds, the other one had dusted, the third one had washed 3 loads of clothes in the washing machine. And I asked them, okay, compared to the medications you take, how much upper did you get from doing practical things? And they were very convinced that doing practical things was very much more mood lifter than what I could get from medications. So when you write the 3 good things, try to write a few sentences about each. For instance, I played games with my daughter, it was fun to see her so enthusiastic, and now I feel like a really good mother. If you write these few things around it, you get even stronger effect from this. An idea to get it done can be to think that it's as important to brush my mind as to brush my teeth, so you do it after you brush your teeth every night. Couples may do this together and exchange the good things that they do, and in that way get to know each other better. Parents and children can do it together, and parents will then really discover what makes a good day for their kids, and this can be a surprise for many people. So you can do it individually or you can do it together with people. A very good technique, and write things down and keep them in a good book, in a nice diary. That's also an advice. Write every day 3 good things, write them in a nice diary, share them with the ones that you love. Good idea.